Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVGR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another solid day here. Updates need to be done. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it on Wednesday, so that's where the red and green line changes are coming from. And that's also where these main updates are coming from. First thing I'm actually going to do is just get rid of that line down there. That level has served its purpose, and sure, it still pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now and from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 54 cents now going to be that near-term level of support and the ideal level that I would call it. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? Well, yeah, ideally speaking, if the price can stay above 54, that would be fantastic. But, I mean, if the price were to drop below there, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything. You still do have that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. So make sure to watch that closely, too, from the more so big picture trend of things. But point here being 54 cents, main level of support, and then overarching level, that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, which as of right now is currently valued at, there it is, the 52-cent mark. So keep an eye on those areas. As far as levels of resistance, it's all about the 60-cent mark up here, which I've talked about in past videos, and the price is definitely within striking distance. I mean, that doesn't mean that it's for sure going to be broken, but, assuming there's no gap downs, I mean, the price could, quite realistically travel up to that area. Now, does it break through it or doesn't it? Nobody knows that. But as far as, is it logical? Is it possible for the price to at least go up there and give it a test? Yeah, I think that seems, quite, possible. So we'll see what happens with it headed into Friday. But price has been doing a great job of now starting to build these higher lows. So let's see if that can carry on into, like I said, get up there and doing battle with that 60-cent mark. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.